Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the file or directory is corrupted or unreadable in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the checklist scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay, this is the malware removal tool. It is a slow application, so it needs a few seconds to load. Then click on next, select full scan and next once again. And lastly, if everything else, I will suggest you to buy a new SSD. If you were using an HDD drive earlier, just buy a new SSD. Okay, you can also buy it from Amazon or Best Buy, anything that you prefer, but I personally buy it from Amazon. So I'm not promoting it, by the way. I'm just telling you that you can buy it from anywhere you want to. Okay, and then search for SSD here. As you can see, it doesn't cost much to buy an internal SSD these days. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.